Today we are going to learn this amazing 3D art paper. So I made it with A4 sheet only. So, but this is beautiful, and maybe you can try with cardboard. I have done this with the material available on the internet. So with the training website, I am going to share his website also, and this is how it looks, and this is pretty amazing. This looks very beautiful if you make it and present to your friends also in a small scale or something. Let's begin.
As I told, this is available at instructables.com. The artist is Jan and he has pretty amazing stuff. I took all the printouts in A4 sheet.
Don't worry about the order, he has done the numbering, so it is very easy. I just want to try this one, whether it really comes or not. So let's start. I have the scissors and scale ready. I took help from this little guy who is very creative. He has done this work. I'm going to show you. This is the Sonic work 3D. He has made it from the same internet by taking the printouts, but look at his patience. This is one such inspiration. Yeah, this is half done, and the hardest part is this one. You need to have really very good patience on this. I know you don't have right now, so let's fast forward it.